Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this weight bench. Now this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, I don't think people have a full appreciation for our weight bench because of not how it's just constructed, but it's foldable and can be put up and is perfect for a home gym. But in no way whatsoever will this being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it super real. All right, this is the company right here. This is made out of, I'd say this is like a faux leather type material. Here's what the underside looks like. So the padding wraps around here. It's all nice and neat. This is already pre-assembled. When it arrives, it's folded up and it comes with 1, 2 of these hand tightened screws and some pins to lock things in place. The bottoms are padded to prevent sliding. It must be aluminum because of how light it is, but solid welding all the way around. Very well constructed. And I would say the total weight on this is one-handed holding this, is 10 to 15 pounds. The whole thing, probably closer to 10 pounds. Very light, easy to move. From a sizing standpoint, the total length is right at 43 inches. The width is right at 12 inches. And the total height to the very top of the cushion is 18 inches. To fold this up for storage, it's super easy. There's 2 screws that you get by hand and 2 pins to pull out. It collapses very thin. So you have a pin here, you pull it out, you hand loosen this screw here, you unscrew this one here. So you have a pin, you have a screw, this pulls up, locks in place, and you do the exact same thing on the other side. Once collapsed, it's only now 6 inches tall. So hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this, I would say, very good quality weight bench that's conveniently easy to put up and store. Hope this helps. We'll talk to you soon.